yo, it's Hefty Haul HQ. Rolling with the crew, moving those big loads. Yeah, you know how we do. We got the ribs, the power, the mic. From dawn to dusk, we own the night. Oversized loads ain't nothing but a thing. Got the trailer stretched out, feel the metal sing.
This is Cameron's Towing out of Ashburn, Georgia. They're picking up their used, new to them, used Landoll 440. We fixed the winch on it, put a new cable, a new tension plate, serviced the brakes and the wheel seals that had a few wood leaks, made sure the hydraulics were in working order. And now this is pretty cool. They're picking it up with this heavy record. So you can see right here, that'll allow him to connect that to the fifth wheel plate, kingpin right here. So here he has the plate, and that'll allow it to hook up to the kingpin there. That's really cool. And it must have another pin right there that'll lock it on. Hookup supply to the airlines. That'll release the brake. And it's ready to go. With the dolly legs up, ready to go. We have a 60th anniversary edition Landoll 930E. It has a remote control. We still have it in the bag so as not to mess it up. Those are all the functions that can control this trailer remotely. 20K Braden winch on it. This thing is a beast. Air operated tensioner. Heavy duty there. Beautiful Apatong flooring. 2 toolboxes up here. So you got all your storage. Lock the toolboxes up. We're gonna go kind of through all the operations and kind of show you what this trailer can do. Rear is wood filled. These are the center keyhole tie downs, so you can chain in the center as well as down the outside. This one's set up with grouser bars. These are some big old grouser bars. So this is Daniel, that's Curtis. They're gonna help us operate this trailer. Crossfire tire equalizing system, so that'll allow you to have one port to fill up your air right there. Also has a color indicator to show you whether you're low, high, or in a proper range for your tire pressure. Kind of helps so that all your tires are the right operating pressure, easier to fill them up. So this is a tail trailer. These axles will move forward. We're gonna go ahead and do that now. And as the axles move forward, the tail will drop down. So with your tail down, you can take equipment and drive right up these ramps. It's got a pretty shallow approach. Just really simple design there. If your equipment is inoperable, if you have a dead piece of equipment, take the winch, pull out the winch cable, and you just pull it right up the ramp on the tail here. Just a beautiful piece of equipment. All right, so with the axles back, It can also go up to dock height. This is a 930E, which is a 35-ton capacity trailer. And this does this with one cylinder pushing these axles forward and back. The rest of it's done with a bit of a mechanical, what I would describe as a mechanical feature. So it puts it kind of in a different slot for it to raise that tail up. It uses a small airbag that allows it to reach a different slot while that bogie or undercarriage is sliding back. Let me kind of show you underneath. So you can kind of see the different slots and stuff. Here's a little airbag I'm talking about. It helps bump that where it can get these different bars and brackets into the right spot so that it can get it up to dock height. You got your locks there. Mud flat brackets, some of the rollers that assist. Strobe light right there. That is a strobe light right there. Rollers. So we're going to bring it back down to regular travel position. Now it's going in that other slot so that it can be stable for traveling. The question we get a lot of times is about these remote controls. Remote controls here, it has indicator lights on that. If you do need, I got a sheet that'll kind of diagnose problems. The receiver is going to be right here, right behind the bulkhead. All right, so with the remote system, we can pop up the ramp on this trailer. This will get you to your upper deck height. So it locks that bar in, and now you're up to your upper deck. And then to get it to go down, I'll let Daniel show you how to get it down. You're gonna hold the button back in and then move the safety bar out of the way to get those locks out of the way. Now your ramp's back down, just as smooth as glass. We have another Landoll 930 here, and it has another feature that I like a lot. It has this slide out step on it, so you can get up to your upper deck that way, as well as lockable chain boxes here. So you can put some chain storage in there, and then you can put a lock right in that little latch there. So it has these on both sides. They have a lot of other options too. They have a tow mate package. This one has a cover over top of the winch with just your standard spring tensioned winch. Also a Braden. It's got the chain boxes down the other side as well. All right, so the next part we're gonna show you is the air tension free spool. I'll let Daniel demonstrate it for you. So that's pretty nice. That's a nice winch though. So this is part of the repair. We can't get the pin to go all the way through. It's hitting right there. So we're gonna take the neck back off. The pin has been mushroomed a bit, and that's why we're trying to get this unit back out of the shop. So that way we can get the neck back in and repair that part too. So we're gonna detach the neck. We got the frame jack rested back on that block. We're finishing our floor job over here. All right, so here's all our screws. This is Chance. He does a great job at floors. So that's a fantastic floor there. All right, looks like I'm walking back over here. They got the neck off. So you see right there on the bottom side of that pin, it's hitting. So we're gonna take and clean that up because it's causing us trouble. By the time we get the neck right there hooked up, it's gonna hit that. There's not much room and this thing's really heavy. So we're gonna get that cleaned up real quick. And then we're gonna try to reattach the neck.
That's what we were doing.
Nice blue chains from Mighty. Got all the welding repairs done on the front of the deck and the rear axles. Now we just got to get the trailer body out, and then we got to bring the neck back in for repair. This trailer is heavy though. You can kind of work this handle. There you go. You see it going in. It got too stiff. We're waiting back until it gets to the sweet spot. Well, Daniel Yahoo'd me. It's starting to get a little.
HQ, rolling with the crew, moving those big loads. Yeah, you know how we do. We got the ribs, the power and the mic. From dawn to dusk, we own the night. Oversized loads ain't nothing but a thing. Got the trailer stretched out, feel the metal sing. Trucks on the highway, flexing the muscle. Heavy haul nation, we hustle.